Technicians prepare the rocket packs. Each rocket is protected with a special cover, so the fuse is not damaged. Right at the moment of loading into the pod, these covers are removed, and the rockets with their fuses are secured inside the launcher. Next, 30mm ammunition belts are placed in the side compartment of the helicopter, and the automatic feed system pulls each round into the chain gun. Once everything is ready, the Apache lifts off and heads to the test range. In flight, the 70mm rockets and the 30mm gun are fired. Impacts, smoke, and explosions are seen across the field.